This is the Hauler Hills. I'm gonna call it the Happy Hauler because, you know, it just is so happy. It's a happy bag and it's gonna haul all your stuff. It's made from a 600D polyester. It is 19.75 inches tall by 12 inches wide and expands to 8 inches deep. There are so many pockets on this bag. I haven't even counted them yet, but I'm gonna tell you about every single one. On the front, your top pocket here has rope zipper pull and it's fully padded with this beautiful soft fleece, perfect for your electronics to keep them safe. You've got a pattern webbing keychain clip in there, your front pocket. Woo, open her up. She's got some nice billowed details, so you're gonna have lots of extra space in here to hold your goodies. There's pattern webby daisy chains across the front. You can hook things to it. On the back, you've got a super secret little pocket over here. This is gonna be perfect for, I don't know, maybe a passport, wallet, other goodies. This side pocket here is going into a fully padded internal pocket that's perfect for your laptop. And the best pocket is the main pocket. It's two-way zip. We're gonna open this up. They call that a clamshell. Hello. You have a top pocket on the left-hand side for a little interior organization. And down here, you've got this nice high-quality mesh. Open this up. And you've got, oh my, this awesome pocket in here. It's going all the way from the bottom to the top. You've got so much storage. On the right-hand side, this might look like it's a little closed off, but oh no, it's like a secret bookcase, but inside your bag. And this is a secret laundry bag because you unzip it all the way like this, and there's a mesh laundry bag inside. Check it out. More pockets. I haven't even been counting. Maybe you can go back and count all the pockets in this bag.
Totally.
Because there are so many. So we're gonna zip this right back in here. See, you got all your clothes under there and they're nice and secure.
Yes, yes.
We're putting that clamshell back where we found her because, you know, you wanna return the wild to its original form. Zip it up. Now we're gonna talk about our carrying options. On the back, we have this awesome padded, breathable mesh back. There's a nice trolley sleeve here. If you got your rolly with you, you can just throw the bag on there. Two fantastically padded shoulder straps that have nylon daisy chains down the front. A removable stabilizing chest strap that's also adjustable. And down here we have some heavy duty plastic hardware. We chose plastic so it makes this bag just a little bit lighter. You can unclip these. Check out those little pattern webbing accents down there. Love the details. And this is just gonna tuck right back in there, and you've got a handle here to carry it, and a handle here to carry it, and you even got a water bottle pocket on the outside. There's more storage, another pocket. That's the Hauler Hills.